darlings, come in. Come on. It's okay. Got lots of wine. It's going to be okay. Oh, I'm so glad you came. I'm so sorry. Whenever I'm sad, I try to think of nice things.
What kind of things?
Pinots and roses and great big steel bunnies, dressed up in costumes to make him look funny. HALL and WALT gift sets all tied up with strings. These are a few of my favorite things.
Vines that are heavy with grapes for fermenting, steel tanks and barrels and vessels for blending, winemakers earning us super ratings. These are a few of my favorite things. Grapes in the presses and crystal wine glasses, friendly wine hosts who will pour us some splashes. They make us welcome and treat us like kings. These are a few of my favorite things. When the wine's gone down to drippings and my glass looks sad, I simply remember my favorite things, and then I don't feel so bad. Pinots and roses and great big steel bunnies, dressed up in costumes to make him look funny. HALL and WALT gift sets all tied up with strings. These are a few of my favorite things. Vines that are heavy with grapes for fermenting, steel tanks and barrels and vessels for blending, winemakers earning us super ratings. These are a few of my favorite things. Grapes in the presses and crystal wine glasses, friendly wine hosts who will pour us some splashes. They make us welcome and treat us like kings. These are a few of my favorite things. When the wine's gone down to drippings and my glass looks sad, I simply remember my favorite things, and then I don't feel so bad. I simply remember my favorite things, and then I don't feel so